Hello everyone, let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE with India's largest learning platform, Unacademy. Crack all the CBSE exams with us. All the top educators are going to teach you the quality content and you are going to have a great learning experience. So hello my dear scholars, I am G. Vidya Manorama. As teaching is my passion, I am here. You can find more about me at the rate of Manuvedam 7472. As I like to inspire students to set their goals and achieve that, I have mentored many students for NTSC and CBSE board examinations. So crack all the CBSE exams with India's largest learning platform by taking the Plus subscription so that you can access unlimited live and recorded courses from India's best educators. India के जितने भी अच्छे educators है, you can find in an academy only. For that you need to take the subscription. What are the benefits you will get if you take the subscription? Daily live classes you have, structured courses, live tests and quizzes, and unlimited access. With one subscription, you can go for all the subjects and you can experience all this. So, special classes every day I'm taking at 2 p.m. and 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. At 6 p.m. every day, at 6 p.m. every day, I'm doing this 1000 PYQs. 2 p.m. quizzes and all. 2 p.m. quizzes, teaching, everything it is going on at 2 p.m. So actually tomorrow it is Sunday, no? Sunday I'm going to take a marathon session of 2.5 hours. Okay, where I'm going to cover all the topics. Where I'm going to cover all the topics. 2.5 hours it is from 1 p.m. to 3:30. 8 topics I'm going to cover. 8 important topics. Not 8 chapters, we don't have 8 chapters only, so 8 important topics where you have to concentrate I'm going to cover here. Okay, so Creative Corner is a complimentary with CBSE. If you take the subscription of CBSE, you will get a Vedic maths, doodling, public speaking, origami, magic tricks, debating, mnemonics, robotics, storytelling and poetry. These all things you can experience. Okay, so Plus and Iconic subscription, two different subscription plans are there. Basic plan to get you started. Take your CBSE preparation to the next level with personal mentorship, that is with the Iconic program. प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन, इंडिया के बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स आपको पढ़ाते हैं, इंटरेक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस चलता है, लाइव लेसन, क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर, एवरीथिंग. आइकॉनिक में एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट्स यू हैव, पर्सनल मेंटर इज देयर, लाइव डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन विल बी देयर, parent connect, parents can speak and find out about their child, study planner will be given. So these all are extra benefits. So VMCBSE is my code and SP Vijaya is my code. Two codes you can use and you can just go for it. You will get 10% of reduction. 1 month, 6 month, 12 months, 18 months option also there, and Iconic extra also there. Here also you will find 24 months and 36 months option also there. So plus subscription, these are the for 1 month no EMI, it is from 6 months onwards only. 6 months onwards plans only you will get the EMI option. So code is VMCPSC and SP Vijaya. Any code you can use to get 10% or so. New Iconic subscription referral code is SP Vijaya or VMCBSC. Anything, no problem. Okay, so that 10% reduction you will get. Okay, here are the benefits you see: 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months. So amount you see very economic friendly, per month 200 rupees में आपको सारे subjects बहुत ही along with the creative corner, everything, personal mentorship, all the very good benefits are there for all the subjects. If you see 2000 outside, if you see 2000 you are paying for one subject only. It is 2000 rupees per month for all the subjects. So you just go for it. These all things are very very good benefit. So daily live classes चलते हैं हमारे. All the top educators who are teaching that, you can you will get an idea how the teachers are covering the topics and all. You just go to my profile and follow me there. You will get all the updates and you can attend my 2 p.m. class and 6 p.m. class. So now it's time to read from all the top educators. These are few of the top educators who are teaching the comprehensive syllabus of mathematics, social science, Hindi, English and science, which is included with physics, chemistry and bio. So Quest 10 CBSE is our channel where you will get all the updates. So Unacademy learning app अभी तक अगर आपने इंस्टॉल नहीं किया तो just install Unacademy learning app. Goal for CBSE class 10 and go for all the benefits by taking the subscription. They'll ask the code to use VMCBSE you use and you will get 10% of reduction. Start your happy learning to get A1 to Unacademy. ओके सो सुपर 30 का जो सीरीज चल रहा है 1000 PYQs NTSC का एवरी डे इट इज एट 2 PM. 1 minute. Every day at 2 PM I conduct the classes of this 1000 PYQs of NTSC. So many children are interested to participate in this. That's why how the questions we get from each topic. So many varieties of questions we are coming across. So we are just practicing. It is Punjab. सुपर 30 का जो सीरीज चल रहा है वही पंजाब का. ओके सो हियर इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Here is the first question. A force of 40 newtons acts on a body and body moves through a distance of 2 meters at an angle of 45 degrees in the direction of the force. The work done by the force is. How you will find out what is the work done by the force? What is the formula? C. वर्क डन का फॉर्मूला होता है W is equal to F into S. But here distance is travel 2 meters at an angle of 45 degrees. 45 degrees angle दिया गया है. So then what is the formula? F into S into cos theta. So cos theta, what is F given 40, S is given 2, cos theta, cos 45 degrees. Okay, it is 80 into 1 by root 2. So the answer is 80 by root 2 joules. Okay, so 3 is the right answer. Okay, so formulas, don't forget, practice the formulas so that all the sums are, all the numerical. Physics is the very easy part in the NTSC. Easily आप कर सकोगे क्योंकि गिने चुने some 10 or 20 formulas are there together, both the years together. से एक बार सारे formulas write down in one place and just go for it. Okay, so here is the second question. In the above graph, what is the value of acceleration? देखो what is the value of acceleration. यहाँ from this point to this point you have to see. Okay, यहाँ 18 है ये, यहाँ 36. Okay, so what is acceleration? A equal to V minus U by T. V is 36 and U is 18. T is 10 seconds equal to 18 by 10 equal to 1.8 meters per second square. Okay, 1.8 meters per second square. It is the fourth. With the graph also, only the thing is from where to where it was asked, just find out. I can just tell ABCDs, but as practice is going on, I am explaining everything in detail. Share with your friends, जितना हो सके अपने friends के साथ share करो. सारे benefit, everyone will get the benefit. Knowledge जो होता है जितना बांटो उतना बढ़ता है. Okay, so just go for it. A person cannot see centimeters, beyond 50 centimeters. So the power of a lens to correct this defect. The power of a lens to correct this defect. अभी देखो far point कितना दिया हुआ है? What is the far point given? Far point is given as 50 centimeters. Okay, so that only the form of infinity. Actually it is the infinity, but we'll take that as he has the defect, his far point became 50 centimeters. So what is the lens to be used? 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. तो infinity हो गया इसका object distance. Object distance कितना हो गया? Actually में infinity, but he can see only till here. Okay, so just 1 by v का हो गया minus 50 plus 1 by infinity equal to 1 by f. So f equal to minus 50 centimeters. v लेते हैं, this is called as v. Okay, so now f we got, power of the lens we need to find out now. So p is equal to 1 by f. 1 by 50, it is in meters, so 100, 5, 2 is 10. Okay, here it is minus 2 diopter. So second is the right answer, minus 2 diopter. Okay, so only the thing is you have to see the defect far point is given 50 centimeters, because a person cannot see the object beyond 50. Beyond 50 he can't see. That's why that is only we are taking it as object distance. Okay, actually the object distance must be infinity. So the image he can find only till 50 centimeters. That's why we are taking that. And power of the lens, when we have taken p is equal to 1 by f, substitute the value and just go for it. Okay. Fourth one. If the frequency of a wave is tripled, then its wavelength, what happened to its wavelength? What is the formula? V is equal to lambda into f. F equal to v by lambda. Okay. So what about frequency of a wave is tripled? If the frequency of a wave is tripled, wavelength will be becomes 1/3 of it. Okay, becomes 1/3 of it. Becomes 1/3 of its original value. Okay. Third one. Okay. So chalo. Fifth wala. Very important question it is. Very important question. A positive charged particle projected towards west is deflected towards north by the magnetic field. The direction of magnetic field is, okay, which rule it is following? It is Fleming's left hand rule. It is Fleming's left hand rule. Okay, so a positively charged particle projected towards west. Towards west it is projected. So current also will be west only. Okay, and the north by the magnetic field. West is deflected towards the north by the magnetic field. Magnetic field is deflected towards north. Okay, so the direction of the magnetic field by, it will be upwards. Upwards. Magnetic field will be upwards. This is the answer. Fourth one is the right answer. A positively charged particle which is projected towards west is deflected towards north by magnetic field. The direction of magnetic field is upwards. It is following the Fleming left hand rule. Left hand अगर आप देखो तो क्या होगा? All the three fingers if you stretch, just to see, you will get magnetic field will be upwards. Sixth wala, easy peasy. If distance between Earth and Moon is increased by 6 times, then the force of gravitation between both will be, what will happen? will decrease to 1 by 36 times. Distance equal to 6 times. That is 1 by 6. क्या होगा तो decrease by 1 by 36 times. Decrease by 1 by 36. Okay. सेवेंथ वाला ये A bullet of mass 20 grams is horizontally fired with velocity of 150 meters per second from pistol of mass 2 kgs. What is the recoil velocity of the pistol? What is the recoil velocity of the pistol? Suppose if you see this is the bullet, you imagine. This is the bullet which is moving like this. So obviously it will recoil. It will be. Okay. So capital MV equal to small mv. Yes. Capital M is a bullet of mass 20 grams horizontally fired with a velocity of 150 meters per second. Pistol mass is 2 kgs. 2 by 1000 into V is 150 equal to M 20 into V. Okay. Okay. So if you substitute 2 into V equal to 3 by 2 आ जाएगा equal to 1.5 meters per second. Recoiling इसलिए वो पीछे आएगा. Recoiling so minus 1.5 meters per second. Okay, minus 1.5 meters per second. A bullet of mass 20 grams. Recoiling of the gun. Newton's laws we have read now. Bullet अगर आगे गया तो recoiling पीछे होता है, इसलिए minus. Eighth one, let us see. An object is placed 5 centimeters in front of a convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 3 centimeters. Find the position and nature of the image. Okay, convex mirror का image कैसे form होता है? हमेशा virtual and direct form होता है. सही आप पता लगा सकते हैं. यहाँ पे देखते हैं 2 virtual and directs are given. So how the image will form, that we have to see. Okay. And वर्चुअल एंड डायरेक्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव ही होता है कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का. सो ऑब्वियसली 3 इज द आंसर, बट वंस आई विल सॉल्व एंड आई विल शो यू. f इक्वल टू 3 by 2 is 1.5. so directly with that only I want to do. Okay, so 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by, so 1 by v equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 equal to 10 plus 3 by 15, 13 by 15. So V equal to 15 by equal to 1.15 centimeters. Virtual and direct form होता है. So 3 is the right answer. Okay. 1 by V minus 1 by 5 equal to 5. Okay. चलो next question. 9th वाला 10th का chapter आया. Light and electricity. A current of 0.5 amperes is drawn by a filament of an electric bulb for 10 minutes. Find the number of electrons flows through the circuit R. Flows through the circuit R. So find out करो. I equal to Q by T. Q is equal to NE. So I is equal to NE by T. Okay. NE का क्या होगा? 0.5 है ना? I equal to Ne by Ne equal to 0.5 into 10 into 10. Okay, these find out इसका कितना आएगा. Electron value N equal to 300 by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Okay, so 300 by 16 into 10 to the power of 20. So it is 18 into 10 to the power of 20 आ जाएगा. Okay, N equal to IT by E. I कितना दिया हुआ है 0.5 to 10. Okay, so 300 आएगा इसका. So the answer is 18 into 10 to the power of 20. Fourth one is the answer. Questions के लिए ये 1000 PYQs अगर आप कर लेंगे, 1000 प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस अगर आप सॉल्व कर लेंगे तो आप वो सभी पेपर आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि इतना पूरा ABCDs नहीं मार रहे हैं. ईच एंड एवरी सम वी आर सॉल्विंग. ओके, ईच एंड एवरी सम व्हेन वी आर सॉल्विंग you can solve easily. Okay, so just go for practice. Practice जितना ज़्यादा करोगे उतना अच्छा रहेगा. Okay, next. So the answer is this one. 10th वाला. Which of the following cannot hear ultrasound waves? What are ultrasound waves? It is actually human. Human cannot hear. Human can hear ultrasound wave. How are the ultrasound waves? Ultrasound waves are more than 20,000 hertz. Okay, or 20 kilohertz. Yes or no? So ultrasound waves are like this. Frequency is more than. Okay, so above normal hearing. Above normal. That's why can't. Okay, so human is the correct answer. Next, 11th वाला देखो. Refractive indexes of water 1.33. Kerosene, ruby, diamond, everything is there. In which these velocity of light is minimum? Minimum means n equal to किसमें सबसे कम हो जाता है minimum? Diamond it is obviously. Water the speed of light is more. So diamond is the right answer. Okay. Next वाला. What is the magnitude of force on a charge? Force on a charge and velocity v in a perpendicular magnetic field. In a perpendicular magnetic field. What will happen if the magnetic field is perpendicular? The magnitude of force on a charge. We are discussing this chapter only, no? It will be Q V P. Okay, F equal to Q V. This is the right answer. 13th का देखो. The resistance R1 and R2. Here it is question. It is not there. R1 and R2. are connected in parallel. The equivalent resistance. How to find out equivalent resistance? 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. That only we can write it as R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. R equal to it is RP. Resistance in parallel combination. So the resistance R1 and R2 are connected in parallel. The equivalent resistance of the combination is, this is the right answer. 3 is the right answer. Next one, somewhere number is missing, I think. 15 questions I have taken actually. The ratio of the focal length of spherical mirror to its radius of curvature is R equal to F by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 equal to 0. The ratio of the focal length of spherical mirror to the radius of curvature, it is 0.5. 0.5 is the answer. So hope you liked this session. जितना हो सके अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ थोड़ा शेयर करो. सारे क्वेश्चंस एक बार प्रैक्टिस करो. ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करने से ना, अच्छा आज का पेपर बहुत इजी था, इजी क्वेश्चंस थे ना, एक भी उतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं लगा. सो ऐसे कभी कभी ऐसा पेपर्स आता है. अभी ये पैंडमिक की वजह से maybe you will get an easy paper. So just solve all the papers, you will get a very clear cut idea about the topics. कौन सा टॉपिक है, कैसा पढ़ना है, क्या करना है, कौन कौन से फॉर्मूले से, ये सब आपको समझ में आ जाने से यू कैन डू दीज ऑल थिंग्स वेरी वेरी इजीली. सो अभी तक अगर आपने इंस्टॉल नहीं किया अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप तो इंस्टॉल कर लो. इंस्टॉल करने के बाद गोल 10 गेट सब्सक्रिप्शन, वहाँ रेफरल कोड मांगा जाएगा, VM CBSE डाल देना और 10% का रिडक्शन इंस्टेंटली मैं आपको दे दूंगी. आप हैप्पी लर्निंग स्टार्ट करोगे एंड यू विल गेट ओवरऑल A1. दैट इज ओनली द गोल. ओके, सो VM CBSE या SP विजया, एनी कोड नो प्रॉब्लम. 2 कोड्स आर देयर, SP विजया. ओके, कोई सा भी कोड डालो और 10% का रिडक्शन ले लो. ये सारे आपका प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन है. यहाँ पे देखो, ये है आपका आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन. तो यहाँ कोई सा भी कोड डालो, VM CBSE या SP विजया, any code no problem, and go for 10% of reduction. So these are the very nice opportunity. As a complimentary, Creative Corner is also you are getting by 1 subscription. So just go for it. Okay, so Unacademy learning app इंस्टॉल करने के बाद go to my profile, follow me there, you will get all the updates. Every day I take classes at 2 PM and 6 PM. यहाँ पे साइंस सैट और मैट का पेपर चल रहा है, मेंटल एबिलिटी और सैट. ओके, सो 2 PM को सारा हमारा CBSE का चल रहा है. सो जस्ट गो फॉर इट. एंड टुमारो एंड टुडे एक्चुअली अभी चल रहा वहाँ पे 1 to 3:30 का जो सेशन है, 1 to 3:30 का सेशन चल रहा है इन अनअकैडमी ऐप. जस्ट गो फॉर इट. अनअकैडमी ऐप में जाओ, विजया मनोरमा गोविंदो क्लिक करो, यू जस्ट डायरेक्टली ज्वाइन माई क्लास. सो VM CBSE is my code. Use this for 10% of reduction. Okay, and happy learning. Happily you will get A1. Okay, thank you one and all.